Lower price stocks are not my jam. I really prefer to trade stocks that are higher than 100. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bearable Traders. I had a pretty good day today. I am continuing to listen to my daily affirmations that I have recorded every day, and it's really helping my mindset. And I'm also really concentrating on a consistent pre-market routine, which is kind of hard when you have children and animals and all that, but it's very important to me, and I know that I perform better when I do have a consistent morning routine. So I traded Tesla this morning. It was on my secondary watch list, not my primary, because I have been trading it a lot lately, and it has been having such strong days that once you get really used to a specific stock, sometimes it can bite you because you think you know it so well. And I am very aware of that. When I get too comfortable with trading Tesla, that's when it really bites me. So I always go into the day thinking that it's going to be on my secondary list. And if I see an opportunity that I can't resist and it's a perfect setup, then I'll take it. So I took it as a reversal. It was a reversal after a 15-minute hammer, also rejecting this daily level, and it made a new 15-minute low. It was also a reverse ABCD pattern on the 5-minute chart, as you can see right here. And it also did, on the 1-minute chart, you have the 9 and the 20 cross. It was they crossed and curled down, and here was the 50 coming up to meet it, which is where I took my first partial. When I entered, I had my stop right above this doji right here on the 1-minute chart. And then once I added to my position, I saw that it was really losing these moving averages. I added to my position, and I was able to double my position and move my stop above these moving averages that had crossed and started curling down. So at approximately 2R, I took a 25% partial, which was also the 50 moving average on the 1 minute. Then I took a 50% partial at VWAP because it's a major level, and then I took another 50 at the 100 moving average on the 1 minute. I love the 100 moving average, so I took a partial there, and then the rest came and stopped me out at break even. Or actually, it was not break even. It made a new 5-minute high, and I stopped out of the rest of my position. But that was my Tesla trade for the day. So then I traded FCell. This was on my watch list. I am not, lower price stocks are not my jam. I really prefer to trade stocks that are higher than 100, and definitely not stocks that are lower than $20. But the pattern on FCell was just looking so great that I couldn't help myself. But I saw this in the first 5 minutes sell off really hard. And so I continued to watch it. I was unsure of this huge hammer doji that happened on the 5-minute chart with new highs, and then you have these really large wicks to the bottom side. But because it sold off so hard at the open, I was kind of waiting for it to come back and test this daily level. I love when a stock loses a daily level and then comes back and retests it. So that's what I was kind of looking for. And then you have this 15-minute weak candle. However, there is a wick to the bottom side. That made me think there was more consolidation, and it wasn't quite ready to sell off. Here you have a doji. I really did consider, when it came back and retested this area right here, I considered going short, but I really felt like it still had some consolidation to do, and I really wanted to see it retest this daily level. So once it did, and then you have also the shooting star doji on the 15-minute chart, and it was also, so this was a 15-minute reverse ABCD pattern, and it was also a VWAP rejection, and on the 5-minute it was a false breakup. I started looking at it for a short and for a nice short entry. So you have the reverse ABCD on the 5-minute as well. It made a new 5-minute low after this shooting star doji, and I took a short position. My stop was above the 9 and the 20 right here on the 1-minute. And I took at approximately 2R, I took 25% partial. And then I took a 50% partial right here. Because of the L2, I was taking partials when I saw huge huge bids. And so I took a 50% partial here, 25 here at the first. And then it threw up a hammer doji on the 15-minute chart, made a new high, and I exited my position. It seemed like it was not wanting to break this below 9, was it 910 or 905? So once it could not make a new 5-minute low after this huge consolidation, and it had a hammer doji with a new high, I decided to exit my entire position. But those were my trades for the day. I didn't have any like great runners, but overall I'm happy with my day. I hope you had a great day, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.